Hey, Forex baddies, this is Ladybug FX, and today we're going to place the Fibonacci tool on a bearish trend. Yeah, so let me show you what to do. So right here, we will go ahead and select the Fibonacci retracement tool. And we're going to start from the highest point and pull it all the way down to the lowest point and bringing it over, right? And then we're going to lock this so it does not move, all right? So as we see here on this chart, the price did move bearishly. It retraced, and now it's in this area here, which is between zero point 0.5 and the 0.618, which is an excellent area, all right? Some people call it the golden zone, but yeah, it is most definitely that. So we see that it is here in this great area here, and so we're going to look to see if we're going to have a reversal candle as a confirmation that price is going to continue the trend and begin to move bearishly, all right? And begin to move and continue the trend, all right? Yay! So we did! We placed the Fibonacci tool on our charts. Yeah! So, next video, let's place the Fibonacci tool on a bullish trend, all right? See you soon. Bye.